Good afternoon. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today I'll be going over the global banking sector. This is part six. I'm gonna give you guys five global banking companies. But before I jump into that, a little background today. As you can see, I thought it was I thought we were on a rise, but I guess with this government shutdown being the longest ever in history, I mean, I'm pretty much looking looking at the effects of that. But I mean, I'm looking pretty good, especially with my new style of strategizing. Pretty much, I'm developing my own personal portfolio or an index fund. Pretty much where um, I'm currently investing moderately. So with moderate, I got three classes. So the moderate's the middle one in the middle, and it's pretty much 60% stocks, 30% index funds, 5% bonds, and then 5% precious metals. So, and then to the right are my 70 global companies ranging from 1,000 all the way down to $1. So, as you can now 70. So, I mean, my goal is hit 100. Mix that 100 in with some index funds and bonds, and see how the market fluctuate. Um, Pretty much the bonds that I'm investing in are ETF bonds. So um, I'll, I'll shoot a video on that explaining my strategy on my breakdown of how I'm developing my own personal portfolio. So okay, let's jump into it. This is the global banking sector, part six. The first global banking company is Bancolombia. That's where I'm pretty much at. I'm in Colombia, South America, and this is the if any foreigners, especially Americans, come through Colombia, use this bank right here. Best withdrawals. You can withdraw the highest out of all the banks. It's the most solid out here. Well, they have Citibank, but me being like with no credit and just starting out, and I got denied with them. So, but I'm still working my way to get connected with them because once I get a bank account with them, I could send directly here without it, me having to withdraw from Bancolombia. So it's something I'm working on also. So things can go a little faster out here. Okay, 5 year. As you can see, it peaked about $65. Currently, I'd say like pretty much level, but 65 was the peak. That was back in 2004, 2014. And as you can see, baseline market price $43.90. About Bancolombia SA engages in the provision of banking services. It also offers financial products. The company was founded on January 24th, 1945, and is headquartered in Medellin, Colombia. The current CEO is Juan Carlos Mora Yulbi. Employees 31,073. Headquarters Medellin, Colombia. Founded in 1945. Market cap 5.57 billion. Dividend yield 3.21. Oh, that's surprising. Buy 31%, hold 38%. Those two together. Um, the way I gauge thing is more than 75%. But since I'm here, this sell is real high. So I don't know why it's like that. Maybe because it's um, third world emerging countries. They still have that liability. But me being over here, I definitely would buy a share of Bancolombia and then collect that dividend yield, especially being around since 1945, because there's a bunch of other banks, but they're top notch. Okay, the second global banking company is HSBC. All right, let's go to the 5 year. I own a share of HSBC. Pretty much it peaked around $55.36. Currently in the bear market, market price $41.63. As you can see, I have one share of HSBC. About HSBC Holdings PLC engages in the provision of banking and financial services. It operates through the following segments: retail banking and wealth management, commercial banking, global banking and markets, global private banking, and corporate century. The current CEO is John M. Flint. Employees 228,687. Headquarters London, UK. Founded in 1959. Market cap 164.92 billion. Dividend yield 4.94. Buy 33%, hold 44%. Those two together more than 75%. See, this is something with these global banking companies. These sales are real. I've noticed the sales are high, so this is something to look out for. I guess because of volatility, or but I definitely would. They've been around since 1959, so they've been in the market for a minute. Okay, the third global banking company is Citizens Bank. Let's go to the 5-year. Fairly new, as you can see that straight line. Peaked around $46.95. Currently in a bear market. Market price $34.94. Hold on, peaked at 46.82. So in the bear market, current market price is $34.93. About Citizens Financial Group Incorporated engages in the provision of commercial banking services. It operates through the following segments: consumer banking and commercial banking. The consumer banking segment includes deposit products, mortgage and home equity lending, student loans, auto financing, credit cards, business loans, and wealth management and investment services. The commercial banking segment offers lending and leasing, trade financing, deposit and treasury management, foreign exchange and interest rate risk management, corporate finance and debt and equity capital markets. The company was founded in 1828 and is headquartered in Providence, Rhode Island. Wow, okay, I didn't know that. Current CEO is Bruce Winfield Van Swan. Employees 17,600. Headquarters Providence, Rhode Island. Founded in 1828, so that's ancient. Market cap 16.39 billion. Dividend yield 3.30. Nice. Anything always 3 and up is nice. Buy 86%, hold 14%. Those two together more than 75%. Wow. Okay. So 1828, Citizens Bank. Okay, the fourth global banking company is Bank of America. Okay, let's go to the 5-year. Beautiful upward trend. Peak around, the peak was $32.72. Currently coming out of a bear market. Market price $28.99. I own a share of Bank of America, as you can see. Bank of America Corporation, also called Bank of America, is a multinational banking and financial services corporation headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. It has a retail banking footprint that serves approximately 46 million consumers, and small business relationships. The current CEO is Brian T. Moynihan. Employees 209,000. Headquarters Charlotte, North Carolina. Founded in 1904. Market cap 281.28 billion. Dividend yield 2.19. So 1904, been around. Buy 70%, hold 30%. Those two together more than 75%. As you can see, I've collected dividends June, September. So Bank of America pays out quarterly, as you can see. So as you can see, 15 cents. That's nice. It's right now, my first the month of February, I'll be collecting $2 in total. So I'm wow. Okay, The last but not least is Synchrony. Synchrony. Yeah, Synchrony. Synchrony Financial. Okay, let's just look at the 5 year. Fairly new, as you can see. Um, Synchrony Financial. The peak was $40.21. Currently in a bear market, coming out of it. Market price $29.22. So, with Synchrony Financial, I have 2 credit cards with them. I'll tell you the story later on. About Synchrony Financial operates as a holding company, which engages in the provision of consumer financial services. It operates through 3 sales platforms: retail card, payment solutions, and care credit. The retail card platform is a provider of private label credit cards and also provides dual cards and small and medium-sized business credit products. The payment solutions platform is a provider of promotional financing for major consumer purchases, offering private label credit cards and installment loans. The care credit platform is a provider of promotional financing to consumers for elective healthcare procedures or services such as dental, veterinary, cosmetic, vision, and audiology. The company was founded on September 12, 2003, and is headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut. The current CEO is Margaret M. Keene. Employees 16,000. Headquarters Stamford, Connecticut. Founded in 2003. Market cap 19.08 billion. Dividend yield 1.45. Buy 58%, hold 38%, those two together, more than 75%. So there you have it. Those are the 5 global banking companies, and the total investment for these 5 global banking companies comes out to $176.01. In conclusion, Bancolombia. 1 share of Bancolombia is $43.88. Dividend yield 3.21. HSBC. 1 share of HSBC is $41.43. Dividend yield 4.94. Citizens Bank. 1 share of Citizens Bank is $35.25. Dividend yield 3.30. Bank of America. 1 share of Bank of America is $29.05. Dividend yield 2.19. Synchrony Financial. 1 share of Synchrony Financial is $26.40. Dividend yield 1.45. Outro. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you. And share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.